Here's the quick migration path from Claude Code CLI into the Codex Desktop app. Start with OpenAI's Import to Codex guide. I'll put the link in the description, but the core idea is simple. Codex can bring your setup and recent work over from other agents. The import flow can bring over instructions, skills, settings, plugins, projects, and recent chat sessions. It does not change or delete your existing agent setup. In the Codex Desktop app, open Settings, stay in General, find the Import option, and choose Import. Then, choose the agents you want to import from. You can continue with everything, or customize the list and select specific items before confirming. Under the hood, Codex checks both user-level setup and the project folders you select. User-level setup comes from files on your machine. Project-level setup comes from files in your repositories. That can include instruction files, JSON settings, skills, plugins, project folders, recent chat sessions, MCP server configurations, hooks, /commands, and subagents. For comparison, here's the setup I already had in Claude Code: Obsidian, Tela, Claude AI, Supabase, Notion, Claude Memory, Context 7, GitHub, and Supabase. Now the important part. In Codex, open Settings from the app, then stay on General in the left sidebar. Scroll down until you see Import work from other AI apps. That row is the migration entry point. Click the Import button on the right. Codex detects Claude Code right away. For this pass, I'm importing everything. If you only want part of your setup, use Customize. The import took about a minute. Afterward, the services list showed Obsidian, Tela, Context 7, and GitHub. Pretty much everything came over. I am not sure why Supabase is missing. I can add that later manually. And as you can see, GitHub just needs manual authentication. Hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.